Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use an impact wrench. Now, an impact wrench is exactly what it sounds like. You put sockets on the end of it, and it's either going to loosen or tighten whatever size bolt you need to either put on or take off. It's a really useful tool for taking a tire off of a car, putting a tire back on. You not only get the force of the turning, of the tightening, but the impact, almost like a little bit of pounding, to make sure that you get the right amount of torque. The key is you want to hold the tool firmly. It is a heavy tool that has a lot of power, and so you want to make sure that you're sure-footed and you're ready for the amount of power that you're going to exert when you pull that trigger. And then either loosen or tighten, make sure you hold it firmly, and allow the tool to do the work. You'll find it to be very useful, and for a lot of production work, say you had to assemble something that had a lot of nuts and bolts that you had to tighten, this tool will do the trick. Coming up next, my video on 3 ways to use an impact driver.